coming off the Countryside Trail, and I'm on Rutherford Road, and down that way is the Lake Hayes Trail, 700 metres that way. Right here at the start of the Lake Hayes Trail, looks flat that way, so I'll start that way. It's a loop, 8 kilometres. So we've got Lake Hayes Walkway, 2 to 3 hours return, we're not walking. Lake Hayes Rec Reserve in about 5 minutes, and then Bendemeer Bay, Lake Hayes Showgrounds, Lake Hayes Outlet, where the water flows out. And it's a grade 3, so there might be some hiker bike today. Alright, just started. Starting the flat section first. Oh, there's those birds again. Ah, little ones. Oh, they can little fly. Sorry. Woo! What a view. So on the edge they're doing a lot of rehabilitation, planting native plants and grasses. How nice this is. Oh, we've got some boardwalk. Must be nearing the outlet. Oh, long boardwalk. There we go. That's the outlet. As far as I know, could be something, or a bit of a river. So on most of the trails I've seen traps of some sort, so they're obviously doing a fair bit of research or trying to capture pests. Alright, big hill coming up. Might be some hiker bike on this one. Warning! Steep drop-offs. Please supervise children. Right. Yep. Second. No, second. That's first thing. Now, yep, narrowed. Sure. And it's got people on there. Here's the view from the top of that climb. This would have to be the most scenic of the Queenstown Trail, so I reckon it even beats the Frankton Trail myself. So do yourself a favour, get onto this one. Well, that brings me to the end of the Lake Hayes Trail. Only about five metres up that way is the car park where I started. So, yeah, give this one a crack. It's a ripper. Bloody beauty, mate.